Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out this special month all dedicated to scary, creepy monster things. Ooh, well, they're not that scary and creepy. They're actually silly and goofy, in my opinion. And so is this character, Frankenstein. So if you are a very, very old guy like I am, well, I'm not going to say how old I am, but maybe I will another time. Anyways, you would appreciate these old black and white movies that Frankenstein had, and they were classics. I enjoyed them growing up as a kid. Well, in saying that, I think we're ready to start the lesson, and I want to make sure that you learn from this little easy sketch character cartoon. This is very simple. I have a surprise Frankenstein headshot that I'm working on. It's more detailed, so that one is going to be more of a challenging one. This one's a little bit easier, but just to loosen up you, ready for that more advanced one, so prepare for that one for tomorrow. And as always and always, you know what I'm going to say right now. That's right. If you have your paper and pencil, let's begin this fun lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.